Frustrated with WhatsApp issues on your iPhone? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to easily reach out to WhatsApp support directly from your iPhone. In that way, you can tell your problem to WhatsApp support to get a fix. Method 1. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Then tap on Settings from the bottom right corner. Now scroll down a little bit. Find the Help option. Next, tap on Help Center. Now scroll down to the bottom, tap Contact Support. In this text field, type your reason like, "Hello WhatsApp support team. My WhatsApp account has been banned. I believe this may be an error. I have always used WhatsApp responsibly. Please review and consider unbanning my account." Then make sure to include your name, email, and WhatsApp number at the end. And then, Method 2. Open up the Safari browser. After that, tap on the address bar. Type WhatsApp support. Then tap Contact WhatsApp. Now, if you're using a WhatsApp Messenger account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Or if you're using the WhatsApp Business account, then tap Contact Us under the WhatsApp Business support. So, mine is a WhatsApp Messenger account. That's why I'm going to tap on Contact Us under the WhatsApp Messenger support. Now, scroll down, enter your WhatsApp number here, then enter your email address in this field. Enter the email address again in the next field to confirm. Next, choose your device like an iPhone. Then scroll down again. Now write your problem in this field. Then, WhatsApp support will review your appeal and then they will send you feedback within 3 to 7 days. This is how you can connect WhatsApp support on your iPhone. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.